Brothers and sisters, you know, let me tell you about, kilala niyo ba si Abraham Lincoln? He is one of the greatest presidents of America. One of the greatest. Alam mo, pag iniisip mo si Abraham Lincoln, iniisip mo isang taong, somebody who championed equality among the blacks and the whites, you know, somebody, talagang ang respeto ng mga Amerikano kay Abraham Lincoln sobra. And they always look at him and say, he's a great man. And yet people don't understand yung buhay niya, punong-puno ng tragedy. I'll show you. Let's read. In 1809, Abraham Lincoln was born. And then in 1816, because his family was forced out of their home, at age 7, he needed to work. 1818, his mother passed away. 1828, his sister died. 1831, a business venture failed. 1832, he ran for the Senate legislature. What happened? He lost. 1832, the same year, he lost his job. He wanted to go to law school, but couldn't get in. And so what happened? In 1833, he borrowed money from a friend to start a business. By year end, he was bankrupt. 1835, he was engaged to be married. His fiancée died. He became grief-stricken. And in 1836, he had a total nervous breakdown and was bedridden for 6 months. In 1836, he sought to become a speaker of the state legislature. What happened? He was defeated. In 1840, he sought to become elector. He was defeated. Next, in 1842, he marries Mary Todd. They had 4 boys, but only one would live to maturity. In 1843, he ran for Congress. What happened? He lost. In 1846, he ran for Congress and won. But 2 years later, he ran and lost again. In 1849, he sought the job of a land officer in his home state. He didn't get the job. In 1850, his son Edward dies. In 1854, he ran for Senate of the United States. What happened? He lost again. In 1856, he sought the vice presidential nomination. He got less than 100 votes. In 1858, he ran for the Senate again. What happened? He lost again. But in 1860, Abraham Lincoln is elected President of the United States. Amazing? Ang dami niyang trial sa buhay, no? Pero sa huli, nanalo rin. Sino sa inyo maraming trial sa buhay? Tingnan niyo. Baka kayo maging presidente rin. Hindi. Ibig ko sabihin, mananalo rin tayo. Sabihin mo sa katabi mo, tingnan mo, huwag ka mag-give up. Focus on the blessings. It's so easy to look at the problems of your life. I'll tell you, brothers and sisters, do you want to be happy? Do you want to be successful? Let me tell you another story. I love this story. There's this beggar, and there's this king. And the beggar was there, and he had this beggar's bowl, and he went to the king. Actually, hindi naman siya pumunta sa king. Nandun lang sila sa plaza ng town, and the king was there, you know, with his royal, beautiful clothes, and the guards, and the entourage, and you know, daming tao. And the beggar was just there in a street corner, holding his bowl. Tapos dumaan yung king, tapos bumiti yung king sa beggar, and he said, "What do you want?" You know? And the beggar smiled to the king and said, "You act as if you can give me what I want." And the king was insulted, and he said, "I am a king. Of course I can give you what you want. What do you want?" And the beggar said, "Are you sure you can give me what I want?" And the king was really insulted. At sinabi niya, "I am a powerful emperor. Ibibigay ko ang gusto mo, anong gusto mo, sabihin mo lang." And the beggar said, "I will ask something very simple. Fill my beggar's bowl. Fill it." And so the king said, "Call his servants, give me money, pour it upon that bowl." And so the servant got a bag of gold coins, poured it into the bowl. But as the coins were going into the bowl, parang bottomless ice tea. Yung hindi napupuno, the coins simply disappeared into that bowl, and it was gone. Talagang gulat na gulat yung king, and he called on his servants, "Get more money, get more gold. I want you to fill the bowl. And so the servants got more and more bags of gold, and more bags of silver, and more bags of coins. They poured it onto the bowl, and again the gold disappeared, the silver disappeared, the coins disappeared.